money, Daddy.
What up? So deep back with another one. And today I got a faceplate for the PS5. And it's in red. I'll leave the link in the description if I like it. So we're gonna crack it open, see what it looks like. We're gonna put it on. There's little instructions come, tell you how to put it on, take it off, so on. And that's the plate. Alright, so let's get rid of the box. So here's the plate. Now I'm gonna say, based upon the design, it looks okay, but I guess I'm gonna wait to judge it until I put it on. But the material feels okay. Take the plastic off, drop it down. On this side, there's all the connection parts, so we put it onto the console. Kind of flexible a little bit. I hope it holds. It does feel kind of cheap, but I never took off the other ones to know how the plates really feel. So we'll find out in a few minutes. Let's take this one off. And the shimmer. So it feels good, has a good texture. There's the other side of the underside of it. The slot. These things look huge, man. Oh my gosh, this PS5 is huge. Alright, let me we got the system here now. Let's take these plates off. So let's get this thing rocking. Pull up, slide down, same time, pull that off. And this PS5 is already dusty. Don't really use it much, but alright. We got the logo right here. It's for dust to collect in. I swear this design was the most stupidest thing, but whatever. Alright, so here we have the red shell. We're gonna stack it side by side so you can see. Pretty much the same, they just didn't put the PS logo on it. So this thing is already dirty though. The material, yeah, the original is way better. Again, I just got this off of Amazon. I'm pretty sure it's 3D printed. The plastic is real light, but it does change the color of the system, and that's what we wanted. So let's put this on here. This way. Alright. Alright, so basically it's 2 points up here on the top that really holds it in place, and then the hooks slide into the body. So easy design. Already I don't really like the material too much, but again, it's to change the color. The white thing I'm just tired of. System is real dark. Seem like dirt is really getting in here a lot. Oh. Yeah, it was on this side. Lift up, pull down. Alright. So we're gonna get rid of this one because we already seen that. And we'll bring this one in. So here's the side by side. Again, the material for the PlayStation is more quality. I'll give it that. And it does have a little shimmer here than for this one. A little shimmer, a little plastic. And the system is, oh, it's clean on this side, so that's a good look. Still waiting for that expendable memory though, you know. Got the slot sitting there and have a card waiting. But yeah. Yeah, I mean, let's see how that works. And that's one of the reasons why I don't play too much, is because what for? I mean, it's gonna fill up and then I'll be sitting there swapping out games. So if you want to deal with that, hey, be my guest. But not I. Not I. So let's see, it's all in, clipped on, everything looks good. So overall, I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, from that white to this, looks way better. Looks way better. So this is what you'll be looking at. Now I'm gonna take some pictures so you can get a better view of it. Don't worry. I'm not gonna just do it on camera. I'm gonna take some pictures because you might want to get it yourself. They have different colors, and it wasn't that much. It was about 40 bucks. I know some places are charging way more money, and I'm planning to get those too when they come back in stock. I mean, those things kind of ran out, but I seen this on a whim, and I just said, all right, let me get in and try it out. But yep, that's what it is, and that's what it do. So that's gonna be it. You know what I mean? If you have any questions, holla at your boy. So far, it looks okay. The material, like I said, of the plastic, you could tell it's not the same as the PlayStation. Of course not. It's not going to be, because you paid 500 and some change for the system, so the quality should be up there on par. But as far as the way it looks beautiful. I love it. I mean, the black in the middle with the red on the side, it looks beautiful. So I like it a lot. You know what I mean? I like it a lot. Alright, I'm gonna take some flicks, put it up for y'all so y'all can see it, what it looks like when it's standing next to everything else. Other than that, I'll holler at you later. And please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, like I said, hit your boy up. And I'll holler at you later, man. Easy.